Okay, so we're in the 61 Chrysler Town and Country, and we need to take apart the door handles and door panels so that we can get into the window regulators and the mechanisms to clean them all up, because these are really gunky. And of course, there's a special tool for the Chryslers. So what we're up against is down inside this handle, which normally you see like this. You've got to separate this slightly and get in through the gap, which lets you pull this back that direction and then get in from this side and push so that this tooth way down in here will release from this right here on the back of the window crank. Now, of course, there's a Chrysler tool to do this that is just about as impossible to find as one of these cars. So you guys are going to watch us do this the hard way. Okay, flathead. Okay. We're going to go in here. We're going to find out where the clip is. Okay, clip's over there. So then we're going to go roll the light up just, yep. Got it. There it is. Okay, so we got everything apart and then we started working on it, and I didn't film out of frustration. While we were working yesterday, I accidentally pushed this one on and clipped it back into place. So I'm gonna grab my tools and show you how to get that thing out of there and finish up this video for you. Anyway, we got her all done and windows are working right now, so I'll get my little clippers and we'll see if we can pop that thing off there without stabbing my little thumb again. Okay, so without the specialty Chrysler tool, what we found is if you go, let's see here, 6 o'clock with the handle, the edge of the clip that you need to push in is at 9 o'clock. And then once you've established that, I roll it back a little bit so that way we can get that up here so I can get my vision down in there. But we just reach back in here, and it's actually behind those little plastic things, but you can kind of feel it with your pick when you get it in there. And then that right there is what we're looking for. So I need to pry this out and then push this direction to unlock the clip. But it sits in that notch in a hole, so you got to push it this direction to get it to unclip. But what I found yesterday is I was pushing on it pretty hard. If you push on it too hard, then this edge of it will bite. So you kind of got to get it just loose in the middle and then wiggle this handle out and be nice to these handles, apparently, because I broke one yesterday and I wasn't pulling on it very hard. So anyway, let's see if I can get this part filmed for you guys. Okay, so go in here like this, pull that sucker out, switch hands here, just get the edge of your flathead on it. Just so you can see it past this edge, that's what's catching on both sides. And once you pass it, then you should be able to just walk it right out. It'll be easy on that handle. There you go. What we were doing was getting in here, pulling that out, up. Now once it's pried out and held, then we push this direction, like that, which will release this tooth down in here, and the back edge of this is where it'll catch, and the back edge of this is where it'll catch. So you just push this happy medium, walk that sucker right on out. Woo! Woohoo! 61 through 63 Chrysler door handles, guys. Hope it helped. Later.